Hi, darling. You're so brave. Yeah. You walked past Cleo. And here's your horse twin, Mr. Curious George. Yeah. He came out to see you. He thought, what's this cat that looks like me doing out here in the paddock? I'm gonna put this up for Sophia and the boys to look at you. Yeah, I know. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? You haven't had a yard before, and you've got a big yard now. Hey, Bubba. I'll see if he follows me back. He followed me back last time I went. Come on, Bussy, come on. Come on. This isn't very good photography because I can't film backwards. Hello. This is just a private family video. This doesn't go on YouTube. He's coming back. Hey, come on. So cute. He walked up though before. He's so